Think you're taking good care of your car? You might be making mistakes right now that are silently shortening its life and draining your wallet. Here are 10 habits that could be destroying your car without you even realizing it. 10. Ignoring warning lights. That tiny light on the dashboard is your car asking for help. Waiting too long can turn a simple fix into a major repair. 9. Skipping oil changes. Clean oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Neglect it, and friction and heat begin to wear expensive components. 8. Riding the brakes downhill. Constant braking overheats the pads and rotors. Use engine braking whenever possible. 7. Hitting potholes and speed bumps too fast. Your suspension, wheels, and tires take the punishment every time. 6. Driving on underinflated tires. Low pressure increases fuel consumption and causes uneven tire wear, while also making blowouts more likely. 5. Overloading the vehicle. Extra weight puts unnecessary stress on the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. 4. Resting your hand on the gear lever. That small pressure can create extra wear inside the transmission over time. 3. Ignoring unusual noises. Squeaks, knocks, and rattles rarely fix themselves. Catching problems early almost always saves money. 2. Flooring the accelerator before the engine warms up. Cold engines need a few minutes of gentle driving to circulate oil properly. And the number one mistake, postponing maintenance. The cheapest repair is the one that prevents a breakdown. Follow the service schedule, and your car will reward you with years of reliable driving. Avoid these habits, and your car will last longer, perform better, and cost far less to own.